transform your business operations sustainably. So at Amazon, we've had to work out ways to find huge scale, right? We want to do things that really squeeze out the effort and the benefit we've built globally quite often. Often the ideas we have at Amazon have to work in every market. So making sure that we use this technology to really scale ourselves really well, it takes out a lot of the manual labor, and it releases time and energy for you to go and innovate and do R&D and other things, help your customers out around that. Certainly in these customers, we've had to do that a lot. These kinds of customers have asked us for ways to handle things at scale. For example, how do we get every one of millions of Domino's pizzas to a customer in time? How can we help Zillow process millions of images and tag them and sort them and improve their quality with AI as well? How can we help Volkswagen handle a supply chain of many hundreds of suppliers globally into one cohesive single operating system? And how can we help Qantas, for example, handle one plane taking the most optimum route for fuel and cabin crew and customer experience, but also across their fleet of hundreds of planes as well? So designing and thinking about scale and 10xing the output you might want to get from the same system is certainly what we see as something that customers are asking us for a lot, particularly post-COVID. I think post-COVID, everyone thought we now have this opportunity to digitize ourselves quite dramatically. It's a good time to do it now to make sure we can use this chance for a bit of a downturn or a bit of a squeeze to try and deploy technology that can save us a lot of time and a lot of money as well. So set an ambitious goal, make informed decisions, transform your business operations, and scale through ops supply chain tools. That they're very sort of heavy industry terms, but would apply for you guys as well. And then use that technology to predict and automate, right? The building on the left is the one that we've just moved into here in Melbourne. In knowledge worker roles, we should better help a finance broking customer, for example, make a great decision about a loan or a financial product, and it's built particularly for them, and it's proven to be something that will work for them over time with very accurate prediction, as much as we can do. And the right-hand side for me is the port. And so the port can also do the same. We can say, as we move to renewable energy, what will happen? As we move to ships that might be larger, what will happen? As we move from truck freight to train freight, how will that make us change? So this technology can handle the most minute ideas of, predicting when a part's going to fail, to understanding the transition of energy, for example. So technology can do all of those things. And really, the technology is not the barrier. The barrier here, or the opportunity, is for you to think as big as possible about the problems you want to solve. And then we add these Lego bricks of technology to solve them over time.